was off Monday and Friday.
Yeah.
I had to help out, take care of JG. She went through some surgery. It's all went great. I got to say, Dr. Lanman, what an artist. She had neck surgery. She had 2 discs replaced. I mean, just a great doctor, and you could even get a hold of him. Well,
wow.
I managed to get a hold of him, bother him on a Saturday, too. So he was absolutely fantastic, and especially, too, the people at Advanced Surgical Center of Beverly Hills, the nurses and everybody there. They were just so kind.
And how is JG?
Oh, JG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, thanks to everybody. Thanks to the team, but how's your wife?
She's okay. A little sore, you can expect, but she's home resting, and the surgery went great, so
excellent.
She's happy.
How are you as a nurse?
She said I was great, and
Really?
I was. Actually, I was great. I was very patient, and...
and it's about time you repaid the favor.
Exactly, because it's usually me getting racked up of one way or another. But no, she said I was great, so it all worked out.
Good. I'm glad she's doing good.
But good to be back here, too.
Yes. Welcome back.
Morning, honey.